Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck and welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. We're going to be doing some more test out videos. This is from chapter 13, and what you're going to find with chapter 13, in my opinion, is a whole lot of videos that are pretty lengthy, 10, 12 minute long videos, and a bunch of them, and only 3 labs throughout the entirety of the chapter 13. It's not like some of the other chapters. So I find the labs very useful in my learning style to be able to, sink in what I've learned from watching so many videos. I think that there should be more labs. But anyway, this particular lab is going to be from 13.1.4, adding, routing, and remoting access role. So let's read through our scenario. You work as the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You need to create a separate subnet to use for testing. The test subnet needs access to the rest of the network through a router, but it should not have any local access to production machines. So it looks like we've already installed the Windows Server and the server named Corp RTR, which you plan to use to isolate the test segment from the rest of the network. You will use traditional routing and NAT. So in this lab, you're tasked to add the necessary role services to meet the stated requirements. Do not add any unnecessary roles. Okay, so I've already got the lab open. We'll just jump right over here and add roles and features. This menu here, you just click next on it. It is role-based and feature-based installation. This is the server stated up here that we want, so we'll just click next here. And we are going to add remote access. Add features. Next. We don't want to add any unnecessary features, so just click next. Remote access, next. We do want to add routing because it does say that we're going to be adding remote routing capabilities. So let's add the routing. Next. We'll click next again. Don't want to add anything here. It's not necessary. We don't need to restart in real life. You probably want to check that, and if it needs to restart, it will, but more than likely it won't. And install. Okay, and close. So we should have met all the requirements in this lab, and we should be batting 1,000 here. Let's check our answers. Okay, so if this lab helped you out, if this video helped you out with this lab per se, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, help me out in the algorithm. You guys have a great day.